Alright guys, welcome back to Soai. This is the late night vibes right now. It's not that late, it's probably like minutes after 7. I think it is cold. See that? Cold. The whole line here frost up. Like the door is like iced up or whatever. They're doing jerk outside, which is it's crazy. It's super crazy, but the people that love it. We're here just holding our vibe, you know what I mean? I even know what we're gonna be doing, but I just wanna catch the vibe and see like, you know, what they do. It's a Sunday right now, the Super Bowl is on. I don't think we're seeing a lot of customers as I would normally see at this time of the night, but we're gonna see. This is the Oxtail Rasta pasta. Gotcha. She say her hand is heavy, but one thing though, them not serve a little bit of food, so I really like that. The food never small. Yeah. So I have a question, right? Who get more food? If a man pull up now and say, "I want a dinner," you go serve the man more food than the woman?
No, the woman get more food.
Really? I lie, I tell. So what if somebody with a good body? No, I say good body, opposite sex.
It doesn't matter. It's a woman world, so the woman will get more. From me, the woman will get more. Daniel, who you share a better plate for, the man or woman? Me share a better plate for the woman then.
You see, every Jamaican spot that I know, the woman them always serve the man them more food.
No, because
Yeah.
the man them mean, them stingy with them money, them argue over $1. $1 the man argue over. I don't want to say them, but I hope you watch the video.
Yes, the other day, me and Daniel.
$1 the man has to over. And it's about those I find some of the kind of time and a few hundred and a few hundred them argue over $1.
But for female, they
Better.
better.
The man them could do better. So I know the people in boss can't leave, you know. That is what it is like owning a restaurant or running the business. You just have to stay and make sure that everything gets done or else. I don't even know what or else is. But anyway, we're talking just now about like people coming to the store and like bartering over $1, $5, whatever. My thing is, if you go to a restaurant and let's say the boss comes out one day and she gives you for a discounted price, that's cool. But yo, you can't come to a store and expect that the workers are gonna give you the same discount as the boss because it's not their store. You see what I'm saying? So it's kind of funny to me, especially that the women are treating the women nicer than the man. The man's supposed to spend money. Like, that's crazy. That's crazy. But yeah, one of the intricacies of working, and these are the things kind of slow up business and make people get, yo, that's why sometimes people say they get bad customer service because of how you treat the cashier them. You get them and say, you just have to work with it. The price is the price. If you don't want that price, I don't know. All right, so Latoya have her sweet chili salmon. How much is for the sweet chili salmon? Cocktail. Oh, so it's in the system?
Yeah.
Yeah, so I see in the freezer we have a bit of salmon. This is something that sells quite often here? Salmon? Yeah. Which one sells more though, the whiting or the salmon?
The salmon.
The
Both
salmon?
of them actually, but salmon, I'll say salmon, sell more than whitening.
Wow.
We give it to the beautiful Lisa.
Oh, thank you.
Lisa, your shrimp ready, your curry shrimp.
Come show them your curry shrimp.
So we have a curry shrimp over here and this is done to order. This is done to
So
order.
don't come and expect you'll get it right away. That's the next problem.
Yeah.
Sometimes you guys come. Listen, this is what we're working with. You see? Look, big pot. just take, you so much pot to take off. Big. And sometimes when you tell them 15 minutes, they give a lot of trouble.
Yeah.
Right away. Please, guys. Everything is ranged to 15 to 20 minutes. Please. Let's work with it. Don't want your food tastes good. No rush it. Never you rush food.
That is it. That is it.
Never rush sex and food.
Yo, why you so nice? Yo.
Can't rush it.
Yo. Well said. So you see we have the curry shrimp. Yo. Can't this is so good because of the steam, but you realize how rich this look. That is it. Nice and rich. Real Jamaican settings. Curry shrimp. You got your carrots, your sweet peppers, and your potato. Rich and nice. So this is the sweet chili version of the salmon, right? But this is the wings. Wow.
So we do jerk, sweet chili.
So jerk, sweet chili, fried.
And lemon pepper.
Lemon pepper. Okay. Who are you supporting for the NFL though? You watch it, then convert you?
I'm not a sport.
What sport? Oh, I was about to ask you what sport do you like? No?
I'm not a sport.
You play boom on it? You play boom on it?
Yeah.
Yo.
Lisa, a bad mind about you day. I'm gone, you can't call my phone. I got to my Valentine. Put on my lingerie and doll.
Make sure
I catch that. I caught that on the video, so bye. Bye.
What?
You should know what the Valentine will be, Lisa.
So me do it. Bad minded.
She not interested in the car. We not have body and ass. Yeah, because I say I'm big enough. Because I say I'm picking the belly.
Oh no, no good.
I say I'm breast them long. We don't have my knee.
Bro, if this is not a Jamaican restaurant, I don't know.
Entertainment all day, every
I'm
day.
telling you. I mean, even the more of this guy. Yo. It's crazy. It's crazy. You guys want to catch vibes like this. I can't tell it's going to be the same way every day. But don't know. Latoya's kitchen. I'll put the location in the description box. Plan done? So a question like on a Sunday like this though, people pop in still like often? Because fall.
We don't really have a line on this time. Like after church.
Yeah.
Anytime you reach like where Monday, like Sunday to Sunday, 1 to 3, 6 o'clock,
Trouble.
Up here, yeah.
In your store,
I know in the week it's definitely full. But on a Sunday too, crazy.
The Super Bowl have a lot to do with it because most people
staying
on the way to the bar or people to watch party at different people's houses.
Yeah.
So that's why the apps are going crazy.
Okay.
But yeah, because even normally on Sundays we have people that normally come from church. We didn't see none of our church people today. So they miss church, they miss the Lord, the house of the Lord, for Super Bowl. Why man tell you sister?
They said what happened with the pastor man when the winter started up.
Sorry, like I said, I don't want to put them in
It's a Sunday church.
I like it down. Hey yo.
Flying off the grill, man.
That is it, bro. It's cold outside, bro.
Cold.
It is mad cold.
Jerk chicken comes in handy in the cold, okay?
Yeah.
Don't jerk yourself in the jerk, bro.
Where do you learn to jerk chicken? Was it here?
Oh yeah, I've been around it, but to be honest with you, it's like I never saw someone catch the flavor, like you know what I mean? So when I see that it's consistent, that's commendable. I like that. I like to be a part of something that's not only successful, but it's not a gimmick.
I like that.
Some jerk chicken get jerked on the jerk. Like they jerk you. You don't
Yo,
Like a jerk when you eat it,
you got jerked on the jerk. That's a good one.
So you don't want to get jerked on the jerk. You want to enjoy yourself.
That's what's up. Yeah, I'm gonna go back inside. Outside, whole body. So you just got an order on Uber Eats?
Yes.
Wow.
So we have a 2-for-1 special. Buy one, get one free.
I've never tried the curry.
It's really good.
You didn't say you tried curry chicken?
I've never tried your curry chicken before. Your curry chicken before.
But it's good.
It looks good.
So I said, what did you cook today?
Me?
Yeah.
No, I just prepped today.
Oh, that's cute.
Yo. So how many orders you have now?
Oh, so I have 3 orders now.
3 orders? How does it work though? So when the order comes in, you just do...
We accept it and there's a timer on it. So we have to get it prepared before the timer.
Okay, so you choose the time that you could do it.
Yes.
Okay, so when somebody orders and they see 40 minutes, it means that you did...
We will have it ready in 40 minutes.
Oh.
So during that time, the driver will be here.
Okay. So I know some of you guys might be a little bit inquisitive to ask the question if I'm a chef here or something like that. The answer is no. If you guys see me in any restaurant, it's either I'm investing, I'm a part of the restaurant in some way, but for me to be a chef, for me, nah. I'd rather be like, what do you call it, like a restaurateur, somebody who, how can I say it? Who is integral in how the restaurant is run in terms of like the recipe, how the food tastes, how it's managed, stuff like that. But to be a chef, nah. I'm gonna be real with you. Chef work is, I like to cook, absolutely love cooking, but it takes a lot. I am a content creator, marketer, whatever you wanna call it, first and foremost. Love doing content. Soai Studios, that's what I do. Now, what's funny though, a lot of people will see people in the restaurant industry, but when you see them outside of the restaurant, they are different looking people. For example, like all the ladies here, when they dress up, you would never think that they work at Latoya's kitchen at all. You see me? So yeah, it's an interesting thing to point out. The same way most of you have never seen me in an attire like she looked different, right?
You gotta hook, who that? You gotta hook me up.
She looked different, right?
You gotta hook me up.
So Felix sees Daniel in her outfit.
Somebody, bro. I saw somebody.
It's not her.
It's my twin.
It's crazy.
It's Daniela. Not Daniel, it's Daniela.
They got in Spanish.
Yes.
All right, so I'm not doing anything else in the kitchen. Usually when you work in the kitchen, you're not supposed to come outside at the front like with your apron and stuff, so I'm not gonna be doing anything else in the kitchen today. But out front here, we're just gonna pack some sodas and things to make sure so the fridge look good. I hate when I go to a restaurant and the fridge is empty. I mean, when it's empty, it means that people are buying stuff, but you need the front of the house to have a little buzz. So we're running low on some stuff. There's nothing else left in storage. But what you do, if things are low, you pull stuff to the front so the fridge still looks like it's full. Plus, on top of that, the customer doesn't have to reach all the way to the back of the fridge. So I'm gonna make a note for the stuff that is running low so we can put in an order for that. Also, guys, you didn't know that they have a pineapple ginger in D&G? I did not know. You didn't know that? You know they have pineapple ginger in a D&G? How long? Not here, like in general. Yeah. Yeah, I've never seen this here before. I had it one time. It's pretty good.
It said this customer wants oxtail taco, so just gonna adjust the time.
Bye, Daniel.
Goodbye, Bata. Bye. She's out.
We're done.
All right, we're gonna make some oxtail pasta. Yes, sir. oxtail pasta as a big chef. That is it. Have you tried like all the pastas already?
Yes.
Which one is the best one for you?
For me, curry goat pasta.
Curry goat? Yo, I've never had curry goat pasta before. Like, I think if you probably pasta anything, but I never had curry goat pasta before. Eventually, I'm gonna try it. I've obviously tried oxtail pasta, not from here. From here, what have I tried? I've tried the pasta before. The pasta as a base with the sauce and everything is really good. You know, once they do it right, it's proper. Probably easily one of the best ones in the city. But yeah, they're gonna make an oxtail. You said oxtail pasta, right? Yes, they're gonna make an oxtail pasta right now. You have your red, green, and your gold.
Because it's called Rasta pasta.
So the story about Rasta pasta, I believe it was created in Negril or Ochi, Jamaica. So I believe the story, what happened was some guys, I think they were Rastas actually, at a hotel or something, and the chef made them this pasta and it had all the Rasta colors, and the guy was just like, yo, Rasta pasta. So it started there. And then up here, there's a spot called Footprints where they basically popularized Rasta pasta. They had it in, I think it started in Brooklyn first, and then they have maybe 2 other locations. Have I had their pasta before? If I have, it wasn't memorable. But people say I have to try a specific location for that business. However, this one, no biases, this one is a really, really good one. And I make a good pasta. So I know you're a girl go very nice restaurants, you know, when I go hide that. So out of everywhere that you've been, how would you say this pasta is like as a Rasta pasta? And don't say it because you're here. Be very honest.
No, it's the best for real. It's the best. Because our ingredients is just the best and we make it with love.
Large. Wow. That's crazy.
And the driver is here to pick it up now.
That's crazy. They're rock, paper, scissors, who's gonna do whatever chore it is. Yo, I'm getting tired. I've been here for like about 12 hours. Again, just observing things, seeing how everything works. I'm gonna grab some of that curry chicken, the 2-for-1 deal. I'm just gonna grab one and see what that's like. I'm gonna have it tomorrow. I'll do another video to tell you guys what it's like when it's fresh and stuff. But yeah, they really serve healthy portions of food here, which is crazy. And if tonight is not a busy night, which it's not, that's crazy because people come in and they grab their stuff, man. Oxtail is definitely one of the big sellers and any other stews. All right, let me grab my plate and we can wrap this up.
Would you like one, sir?
All right, so yeah, it's closing time. I got my food. I'm ready to go. Remember to check them out on, I believe it's gonna be on Uber Eats and Grubhub, where you can get a 2-for-1 deal on the stew. So if you want a curry chicken or stew chicken, check it out, 2-for-1. For that much food, it's crazy price. All right, I'll catch you guys on the next video or whenever I stop by again. You guys definitely tune in. But the next videos I'm gonna be doing, I'm gonna go check out a couple soul food spots, possibly in Harlem here, that I've been wanting to check out for a very long time. All right, catch you guys in the next video. Everything is love, nature, and adaptation. And always remember to keep the link.